Hey everyone, I'm Deepak Soni. This is third video of the GoHighLevel Automation Series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up missed call auto text back automation in GoHighLevel. Let's suppose someone calls you and you are not able to pick up the call, and then how you can send a automated SMS to them that you have missed a call and I will contact you very soon. Okay. To create that automation, you click on automations. I have created a folder where I am setting all the automations here. Now here, I am going to create a new workflow. Start from scratch. I'm going to name this third missed call text back. Okay. So to create that, click on trigger. Here you have to write call status, add filter, call status. It could be busy or no answer. Okay. Now click on save trigger. Here, send SMS. Write SMS. Send SMS. Hi. Sorry, I am not able to call. I will contact you soon. Deepak. Now click on, you can customize whatever the message you want to send. Now click on save action. So we are not going to send it instantly. We have to set a, let's suppose 2 minute delay. So click on light delay, wait, time delay in minutes. It should be 2 minutes. Okay. Now click on save action. Click publish and save. So that's how we can set missed call text back automation in GHL. Thanks for watching this video. Do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.